Hi, Dylan. My name is Nick. I'm here in Bend, Oregon. Last week you spoke with Marcy, and this is your complimentary website video audit. I'll tell you it's about 5 minutes long, but I'm going to show you 3 to 4 ways that you can go about getting more business and more jobs, also comparing your website to one of the competitors. So let's get started. I sit on the site, getting here. Nice. I like the receive free quote. That's a call to action. Someone can easily fill that out. Your phone number up above. You'll want this to be a click to call. It's a very simple thing to do. But this way, when someone's on a cell or even through a computer, they can just click on your phone number and reach out and call it. So looking at the site, I want to go to conversions, your shower to tub conversions. Now, what I like about this is you've got a specific page for this solution. However, Google likes content. We recommend 2,000 words on the homepage. Not that someone's going to read it all, Dylan, but Google indexes that and says, oh, they're a subject matter expert, right? Miller Home Renovations knows what they're doing. Let me feed their page up higher during a search. In regards to these inner pages, a minimum of 1,000 words. In this shower to tub conversions, I'll show you in a minute, is a highly searched term. So you're definitely going to want to put a lot of content behind it, okay? The other piece, as you can see here, I saved this image and it's garbled. Google reads what you name images as. So you want to name something off of this, like, tub to shower conversion bathroom, something like that. Now, going to the next tab, Dylan, this is important. This is a site called Ahrefs. It's software that I use that tells me in the previous month how a website has been doing, okay? Couple components here. Backlinks. Backlinks are links from other credible sites back to yours. They all vary as far as quality quite a bit. They're all specific to a keyword. And again, they're not all the same, okay? So if we look at what you've got going on, you've got 86 backlinks with 456 keywords. That's really, really good. And traffic last month, not this month, traffic last month brought you in about 107 people from your website. If we look at some of these keywords, here's what I was talking about. Look at this, tub to shower conversion. Now, I know you may not service this word nationally, right? You might have Portland and Vancouver and such, but you're in the 6th position. You're doing okay. You've gotten 23 people to your site from that, okay? But at this point, you definitely want to work on backlinks and keywords and content in order to pick out some of these keywords. Let me show you what I mean. Let's look at words with the word Portland in it. Got it? And there's something called a keyword difficulty. It's from 0 to 100, Dylan. Over 50, very tough, like dentures in Beverly Hills, right? Or plastic surgery. Anything under 10, not as difficult. So if we look at keywords that you're trying to rank for from a difficulty of 0 to 5, here we go. Look at this, bathroom remodeling, Portland, Oregon. 200 people searched it last month. Difficulty is only 1. You're in the 21st position. You're losing positions here. Had you been in the first position, you would realize 60 to 80 people coming just off this one term, okay? Now, I did notice something, and I want to show you that. The tub to shower conversion, position 6 that you've got, actually, this is last month, you're starting to drop. And if I just go right here, it can tell me where your site's at for a particular word. I think you're now 73. 72. So in order to get some of these keywords right, in order to start to rank, we're talking about content, we're talking about backlinks thus far. Moving on, let's say I do a search for tub to shower conversion, right? We've got a few different ads. And if we want to go, I'm going to go pick one of the top bath reps, one of the top organic results that come back. The site is, no different than yours. Very similar, right? You actually have that better call to action. But if we look at Ahrefs for them, look at this. 1,300 backlinks, Dylan, 6,000 keywords, pulling in 4,000 people a month. Now, I'm not saying that's where you're going to be, but what if you could get there eventually, right? Over 6 months, over 8 months, and start to drive 8, 9, 1,200 people to your website. And the way that we do that is we look at some of the competitors' keywords, right? Look at this. For the word bath wraps, they're number 1, and they're pulling in 663. Bath wraps with a space, 595. And the keywords are very small, very easy. So Again, we want to talk about content. Yeah, let me wrap up. Let me just throw a slide up for you, Dylan. There. Increased content, 2,000 words on the first page, 1,000 on the inner pages. Again, you need that. That's the easiest way to get found. The content, there's rules behind using keywords and how often and where. Implementing better backlinks to your site, not necessarily more, but better backlinks with those keywords like Portland bathroom remodel or tub to shower conversion. And lastly, there's something called a GMB or a Google My Business. And I'll show you right here. Let's just say Portland tub remodel. See these ones up here? This is known as a Google My Business. This is the map pack you get here by putting out what are known as citations. That's your name, address, and phone of the business in various directories on the internet, right? And that's how you get here. This will also get you some more business. So I appreciate your time, Dylan. I will follow up in a couple days. Feel free to reach out to me, but you definitely have an opportunity to scale and grow in a smart way if you want it. Thanks so much. We will talk to you soon. Bye, Dylan.